In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy sausage balls. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and I'm a homeschooling mom of 2, and I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down in the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. As a busy homeschool mom, I am always trying to find easy, grab-and-go breakfast ideas, so when the kids get up, I already have it made. And during this holiday season, sausage balls is great for parties, breakfast, whatever, whenever you need it. So let's get started. Okay, you are going to need 3 cups of Bisquick, 2 cups of shredded cheese, your choice. You are going to need 1 pound of browned sausage, and you are going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese. I have put the 3 cups of Bisquick in a bowl, and I'm going to add in my 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'm going to add in my 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I cubed it. And I have browned my hamburger meat. I did not drain it because there wasn't a whole lot of fat in it because we use U.S. wellness meats. And I will leave a link down in the description box to that and a video up in the iCard if you want to learn more. So I put the browned sausage on top. It helps melt the cheese and the cream cheese because it is hot. Put it all in one big bowl. And we are going to mix it around. I use a spoon first, and I use the bottom of it to press down. It helps get the cream cheese incorporated, just like so. And I'm going to get this all mixed up, and I'll be back in just a second. I mixed it well with the spoon, and now I'm going to get in here and mix it well with my hands, just to make sure that the Bisquick is all incorporated in here, because you don't want any dry bites of your sausage balls. And adding the cream cheese to it definitely helps make it not dry, because sometimes you'll get too dry with the Bisquick in there, and if you don't have enough fat from your sausage. So I always just add that 4 ounces of cream cheese. It seems to make a massive difference. Now you will see, oop, there's a spot. Just turn it over from the bottom, and there we go. It is mixed well, and usually what I do is I take a spoon and measure out about a healthy size. My family likes it when I make biscuits more than the balls, but we're going to make them about this big, and then I have my oven preheating to 350, so let's get these made. This recipe makes about 30 golf ball size sausage balls. Now, depending on the size you make, just make sure they're all about the same size so they can cook evenly. So I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Every oven is different, and it also depends on the size. So let's get them over to the oven, and I'll let you see what they look like when they come out. They just came out of the oven and they cooled off. And I put them on this plate, and see they're golden brown on the bottom, and then you open them up and they are yummy and moist on the inside. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.